Look at any modern AI system architecture diagram right now, and you will almost certainly find a vector database highlighted right in the middle. In the current AI landscape, these databases are often treated as a mandatory component for any enterprise-grade application. However, many of the teams implementing them are still grappling with the specific problem these systems were actually built to solve. Using a vector database requires moving away from the logic of exact character matching toward a system built entirely on semantic relationships. To see why that shift is necessary, look at how traditional data systems operate. They are built strictly on rows, columns, and tables of structured information. They work well if you have a precise identifier, like querying a system for customer ID 1045, or isolating every transaction over exactly 500 pounds. But human intent rarely fits into a rigid spreadsheet. Modern AI applications have to answer queries based on the nuances of similarity. We need systems that can identify customer complaints that sound emotionally frustrated, or locate legal contracts dealing with intellectual property disputes without needing the exact words frustrated or intellectual property. You cannot build a system that reasons through those requests if your infrastructure only understands literal text. We needed a way to mathematically quantify meaning. The solution is a concept called embeddings. This is a process that converts unstructured data, like written text, digital image files, or software code, into a mathematical list of numbers. Instead of storing literal letters or words, the system calculates and stores a mathematical representation of a concept's underlying properties. This 3D grid shows a simplified vector space. Related terms, like king and queen, get coordinates physically close together. Doctor is plotted far away. Moving toward doctor, we find related concepts, like hospital and medicine, forming their own distinct cluster. By assigning coordinates to ideas, AI can measure the physical distance between abstract human meanings. Now, imagine searching through billions of these coordinates across thousands of different mathematical dimensions simultaneously. Traditional database indexing fails at this scale. Scanning every single vector one by one to find a semantic match would take far too much time and energy to be practical. This specific bottleneck is the reason vector databases were created. Their entire purpose is to store these massive lists of numbers and retrieve the closest matches at high speed. To maintain that speed, engineers use a shortcut called approximate nearest neighbor search, or ANN. In this diagram, instead of measuring the distance to every single point, an ANN algorithm only looks at physically nearby points. By trading a tiny fraction of accuracy, the system skips millions of irrelevant coordinates to provide a result in milliseconds. Without these mathematical optimizations, large-scale semantic retrieval would be too slow to power interactive AI. This math becomes the foundation for large language models. While these models are great at reasoning, they do not inherently know a company's private files or its most recently updated data. Constant retraining to teach the model new facts is too expensive. Instead, developers use an architecture called Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG. In a RAG workflow, private documents are first converted into embeddings and stored inside a vector database. This flowchart illustrates the cycle. When a user asks a question, the vector database finds the closest semantic documents and provides that context to the language model so it can generate an accurate answer. This approach allows the model to access an external knowledge base that can be updated in real time without needing to modify the model itself. But simply plugging in a vector database doesn't guarantee accuracy. If the retrieval process fails to find the right data, the model will produce a confidently wrong answer. A major hurdle in this process is chunking, the strategy used to split a long document into smaller segments before they are turned into numbers. If those chunks are too small, they lose their meaning. If they are too large, the specific detail the AI needs gets buried in irrelevant noise, ruining the precision of the search. Furthermore, semantic similarity alone often misses exact references, like a specific policy ID from the year 2025. This requires hybrid retrieval, which combines meaning-based vector math with traditional keyword searches to ensure both context and precision. The success of an AI application now depends on this distinct engineering layer, the quality and tuning of the retrieval pipeline. This infrastructure is already expanding beyond text. We are seeing multimodal embeddings that can represent any type of data as a coordinate. By identifying patterns in these coordinates, systems can search video footage by conceptual meaning, match architectural blueprints, or detect cybersecurity threats based on behavioral similarity. In this emerging stack, the language model serves as the reasoning engine that processes information. The vector database provides the memory and the knowledge base that autonomous agents use to interact with the world. This semantic infrastructure acts as the organizational layer for AI-native logic, providing a new way for machines to navigate the complexity of human information.